Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with yet another non-phone healthcare work from home job lead for you. These seem to be the most popular and what most people are after, but of course, on this channel, I try to always be helpful to someone. So please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, along with any education and experience that you have, because I am always reading those and keeping that in mind. But we'll keep today's video a short, sweet, and to the point. The company Maximus is hiring a medical case specialist. Now, this is to work with the Veterans Evaluation Services. So the VA, or better known as the Veterans Affairs, they outsource the company Maximus to review medical records of patients and to make cases for their patients. And so that is what this position is going to be doing. So you'll basically be reading and comprehending the medical records and exam requests sent by the VA. You'll check the veterans or the patient's previous cases for overlapping information and other information. You'll then draft and submit clarification inquiries to the VA if you need it to better understand the information in the medical records. You'll enter the information into the software for the doctor to be able to utilize during and after their appointment. You'll make sure that the providers have all the necessary documentation and medical records that they need to see the patient. You'll identify and include any worksheets or diagnostic lab test results that you need. And of course, that includes thoroughly checking over the work before it is sent. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They want someone who understands medical words and terminology, someone who has great typing skills, great communication skills, great reading comprehension skills, and of course, you got to be able to multitask and be organized and know how to use basic computer programs such as Microsoft Word, Outlook for email, Acrobat, PDF Reader, those kinds of things. Now, they don't supply a computer for you. You do have to have your own computer. It has to be a Windows or Mac that is no more than 5 years old, so it needs to be a newer computer. They do not take Chromebooks at this time. Now, they are paying a straight $19.23 an hour for this position right now. All right, sharing is always caring. If you found this job lead or any other job leads that I share helpful, please share with your friends and family so we can all be working from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.